Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor. Out here in the 2007, I believe, jetcraft, hovercraft, 18-footer. It's red, got a few little dents up in the front, got some strakes that keeps it, lifts it up, got a little bit of reverse on the back, I'll show you later. Rope guide, you got jam cleat, you got bow nav light, cleat, wiper on the starboard side, chain, winch strap, standard tongue jack. I'd probably corrosion X that. You got flat 4 in the trailer wire, 2-inch ball, standard flip, about 18 inches from the ground to the top on a straight coupler. You got 2x6 bunks. It needs a little air in the rear port tire, 5 lugs, probably about 60-pound torque, leaf springs, 45-pound tire pressure, a few scratches. You got your crab davit. You got 3 pull holders, 4 pull holders, looks like a little Eagle depth finder. Control box for the main 9065 jet, one for the kicker. The kicker's a hydraulic or just a manual lift, it looks like. Yeah. And I think the starter's a little sticky on that. Spare tires. No canvas. I've seen the bows on here, but they must have took it off. Missing the used to have a stereo. Speakers are gone. I put blanks in there, screen covers. I think it's got single batteries. This is a 15 short shaft, looks like to me. Merc 4-stroke, we'll give that a fire up. You got a 9065 jet right here. My drain plug got the transducer, it's a 2007, got the riser on it, got the anchor light. Same thing, buddy bearings, your minor little scrapes and scratches on the boat. You got the 2 seats. You know, that dinger looks like it's an 18. It looks like a 16 to me, though. I could be wrong. Huh. Anyway, you got 12-volt power point, bilge pumps, and you got something wired up there. A paddle. So we're gonna put her in the water and see what happens. Boat Doctor out.